Welcome back. And what if we told you you could actually like going to the doctor?
I'd say no way. None of those 10-minute visits with vague instructions. And now Jason Gruenauer discovered a new practice that's making a lot of things much more pleasant.
Yeah, things like how you pay and how you feel.
Okay, you still taking this, you still taking that. Yep. Your ears hurt? No, you know.
That was a typical trip to the doctor's office for 78-year-old Joe Bynum until he changed doctors and his perspective changed.
They seem to have more concern for you.
He's talking about Iora Healthcare, which opened its second Denver office today. By partnering with the insurance company, the practice simplifies the process of fees and billing. Seniors with certain Medicare are totally covered.
We're going to get rid of the transactions and allow us to focus on relationship and just take good care of people.
We're out of that world of saying, all right, I got 20 minutes, I got to bust this out, you've got to get your mammogram, you got to do this, why isn't your blood pressure controlled? Come on.
Instead, this is what your typical Iora visit looks like. A patient, a doctor, and a personalized health coach for each patient.
That health coach's role is really to keep the patient engaged and on track with what we talked about in that visit. And if that doesn't happen, we figure out how to improve upon it.
She was able to explain to me what was going on, and then I was able to be a part of the process.
And if you can't make the appointment,
if you are helping manage the care of your grandmother, we can Skype you in on the visits. You will get to see the record. You get to participate.
They're not alone, and that's so important because a lot of elderly people feel alone in whatever it is that they're dealing with. But this whole concept, it completely squashes that.
And Molly, the CEO says it's already working. Their patients that go there have lower blood pressures than the national average, and they're already cutting back on ER and hospital visits as well.
Wow, I think the one thing patients want is just to feel listened to and cared about, and it sounds like this program is working.
3 people in the room, patient, doctor, health coach, somebody's always listening.
Whole team. All right, thanks, Jason.